Fellow vloggers, please, I'm asking for a little help here. I have a Contour Plus 2 camera. I'm getting too much wind noise. My mic's not picking me up proper. Is it because I have a cheap mic? What can I do? What can I do for wind noise on a Contour camera? I'm picking up a lot of wind noise when I'm riding. Any advice will help. Please, anybody answer me? I tried a sock. I tried this real thick double-sided tape thing in front of the internal mic with a sock over it. I'm getting too much wind noise, and you cannot hear me when I'm talking into the mic when I'm riding. Can you guys please help me? Any help will be appreciated. Thanks, guys.